Are you ready to take your learning to the next level? Introducing Soomaali Courses, the ultimate online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses in Somali. Not only can you learn, but you can also teach others. Our e-learning website provides a comprehensive platform customized to meet your learning needs. Whether you're passionate about technology, design, editing, development, or any other topic, Soomaali Courses has got you covered. Connect with a global community of learners, teachers, and friends, and collaborate with like-minded individuals who share your thirst for knowledge. Our user-friendly interface ensures a seamless learning experience. You can easily navigate through the platform, take advantage of various services such as messaging teachers and friends, participate in discussion forums, and receive personalized feedback on your assignments. Flexibility is one of the key features of Soomaali Courses. Learn at your own pace and convenience, regardless of your location and in your native language. Our courses are designed by industry professionals to provide you with a high-quality education. We strongly believe that education should be accessible to everyone, which is why our courses are available in Somali. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to learn something new, Soomaali Courses is here to support you. Join us now to unlock endless opportunities and achieve your goals. Enroll in your first course today by visiting our website. Learn and teach others with Soomaali Courses, the ultimate online learning platform.